The temperature within the Earth increases with depth by 20 to 30 degrees Celsius per kilometer on average. This is mainly due to radioactive decay processes. The heat energy can be utilized with geothermal power stations. Due to the high pressure, water found between layers of rock is liquid despite its very high temperature, up to several hundred degrees C. High-pressure steam is extracted from this hot water. The hot steam is conveyed onto the turbines of generators. The generators produce electric current. As the steam cools down, it condenses, and the resulting water is conveyed back into the Earth's crust. Due to the high pressure in the crust, pumping the water back requires a great deal more energy than it does to extract the steam. Geothermal power stations are considered to be less harmful to the environment than traditional fossil-fueled power stations. The carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, methane, and ammonia content of the extracted water, however, can lead to an increase in the greenhouse effect and thus in global warming, and it can cause acid rain.